Hello guys, for the slow roasted pork belly we need 1.2 or 1.5 pork belly meat with the skin, plus 3 cloves of garlic, rosemary, fennels, basil, sage, 10-12 tomato cherries, or cherries tomato, sorry, black pepper, sea salt, extra virgin olive oil, and I will use 500 ml of Irish beer, the one that I have already posted the video. But you can choose, you can use also 500 ml of wine, the red, the white, up to you. Now with a very sharp knife we cut the skin of the pork belly, and after we will add the salt, the pepper, little bit of fennel, the rosemary, and we massage our meat. Okay, now we take our baking pot, we put the extra virgin olive oil, the garlic, little bit of fennel, little bit of rosemary, sage. We put on the stove. When start the smell of the spices coming up, and also when you see the garlic that it is little bit fried, you can add the belly pork. We need to fry 5 minutes, and after we will put upside down the other ingredient, but I'll show you later. After 5 minutes we move a little bit, because probably it can stick to the pot. We put upside down and we add the beer. Okay, after that we have add all the spices, we take our belly, we put in the oven preheated at 180 Celsius degree for more or less 1 hour and 30. Remember one important thing, and that when you put the beer or the wine, should not over or go on the skin. If not, from crunchy, the skin will become soft. So see you later. After 2 hours at 180 Celsius degree, our pork belly is ready. Let's taste it. Spectacular. Inside is very soft and the skin is very crunchy. Very yummy. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch all the other videos. For any comments, any question, down in the comments. Bye bye. I will try also with the cherry tomatoes.